Alex is a pitiful poor man. So today, I'm gonna build him a dream bed-shaped villa with a supermarket, gaming room, swimming pool and other fancy stuff a true billionaire would have. But first, I need a large plot of land and a large acrylic tank for the secret action I've planned at the end. Alright, time to stock up the shelf. I've got all these little sodas, cartons of milk and juice boxes, and even a few snack packs ready to put in. I want to make sure everything's perfectly lined up by color, shape, and shelf height behind these glass doors, because this isn't just stocking, it's shelf art. Now, place the 2 drink shelves into the supermarket and watch Alex enjoy them. Next, I'm gonna set up shelves full of my favorite brands of drink, fast food, and snacks. And of course, this brand sign is indispensable. So, this is my very own 7-Eleven. Now, time to set up the home theater. First, I need a super large OLED TV with Squid Game figures inside. Then I add 2 speakers, a sofa, and a pair of armchairs. And just like that, our home cinema is complete. Alex enjoys the movie so much. To make it more like a living room, I also build a luxury aquarium and place it behind the sofa. Let's see if it can actually hold real water. With the remaining space, I put in a bookshelf, a soft drink shelf, and a Lego collection shelf. Ta-da! The secret room under the bed is done. Next, I build the outer walls for the bed, attach a special part, and place 2 more bed posts. Once this wall is done, I'll get to work on the machine that can lift the bed surface. To make the machine, I will need a Technic gear rack 1/4 circle 11 by 11. When the gear rotates, it drives the rack to move, lifting or lowering the bed. Now I just need to add the axle, add a motor, then connect everything to the battery box. And done! Now I'm gonna install the lifting device into these 2 holes and connect it to the battery. Let's see. Yep, it's working perfectly. Since the supermarket and fancy living room are finished, I'll build more rooms so our lucky Alex can eat, chill, and live like a king. Next up is my favorite part of this villa, the gaming room. I have 4 awesome arcade machines here, from racing, temple run, and slots, to brick block puzzle. And of course, I have a foosball table too. Let's give it a quick test. Alex and his girlfriend are seriously into that foosball game. Right next to the gaming room, I built a high-end garage fully stocked with tools, helmets, tires, and all kinds of racing gear. Now, add the glass doors for the gaming room, and the auto door for the garage. And that's all for the first floor. Alright, we've just filled up all the secret rooms, and 7-Eleven on the first floor. Now we're ready for the second floor. First things first, in this bathroom, I've got a large white bathtub, a wave painting to give it that spa vibe, a modern sink setup, and a high-tech toilet. So chill, he's living better than me for sure. Behind the glass door, I also built him a $1 million bedroom with a king-size bed, a top-tier streaming setup with 3 monitors, a webcam, soundproof walls, and even a VR play zone. A luxury life needs a healthy body too. So at the foot of the bed, I also built him a home gym with lots of equipment, so he can work out every day without worrying about being watched. Now, to cover the top of the bed, I set up a helipad on the second floor roof, and a swimming pool right on the bed surface, for our couple to splash and chill on sunny days. And the final feature is a go-kart racetrack around the bed, to fulfill Alex's dream of becoming an F1 racer. The bed-shaped villa is officially done. Now it's time to test if our supermarket can survive this massive flood. Okay, the goods are basically still intact on the shelves. And most importantly, despite everything, Alex stays chill as always.
The dam is collapsed. Water is flooding the town. Oh my god, the flood is coming. Run quickly. Help me. Help me. Help me. The town was destroyed by water. We need a dam right now.
How to prevent dam breach. Step 1. Build the dam. Step 2. Build the spillway. Spillway. Set up the dam. Connect the spillway to the dam. Add the bridge. Add the ramps. Add the lamps. Step 3. Build the water pump. Add the impeller. Install the main engine. Add to gears. Add 2 engines. Install the pump nozzle. Connect the pump parts. Connect water pump to the dam. How does the dam work? Water from upstream is blocked by the dam, flows gently through the dam, and then flows downstream. Testing glass bottles. Or these plastic boxes.
The dam is complete.
Hooray!
Our town is safe again.
Ho-ho!
I need to cross the river urgently. This dam is so convenient.
Oh no, there are so many crocodiles flooding into the river. Someone help me.
We must get out of here quickly.
Oh no, crocodile. Stay away from me. Help me, help me. How did they get over the dam?
The upstream water level is rising. It's sweeping away all plants and animals.
Oh no, the flood is coming again.